I'm Jess from Exeter Digital and welcome back to day 2 of our innovation sprint. Now day 2 is a pretty big day because today is all about deciding on the solution. You'll begin the day with a quick refresh on what happened on day 1, which was basically pinpointing a target area to focus on and coming up with ideas. But leaving from day 1, we actually created our individual 3-step concept boards in which we left face down. So we're going to grab them, pop them on the wall, and then everyone will have a couple of minutes to go around rating them and then using dot stickers, and you are basically registering your interest in certain ideas or features from each concept board. This is also a really great chance for you to write down any questions, anything you need clarification on when you come across a board that you're not sure about. Then we'll do solution presentations in which we'll align the team's understanding of each of the concept boards. This is where we'll address all the questions or the misinterpretations to make sure that everyone gets a chance to explain their concept board if needed. So voting today will actually be really different to yesterday's type of voting in that the final decision will be made by one person, and that one person is the decider. The decider is someone that is chosen at the start of the sprint as the key decision maker. And on day 2, the decider isn't participating in any of the group voting. The group voting happens before the decider makes their final decision so that they're informed of the group's opinions. Starting off with the voting, this is the moment for you to actually select a particular board or a particular feature that you want to see prototyped. And so you'll grab a rectangular sticky note and you'll write down the title of the concept and the title of the feature and your actual reason for choosing it. And then at the same time, everyone will grab one sticker and vote on the particular thing that they chose. Everyone will go around explaining to the decider their reason for their decision. So afterwards, the decider can make an informed decision and voila, there's your solution. So kicking off with the second half of the day, the first exercise is the user test flow. You want to start with a realistic entry point. How will your user discover this new product or service? And then you'll have to fill in 4 steps before reaching the ideal ending. So the ideal ending is where your user confirms that they will use the product or service. And then everyone will post their little 6-step story sticky notes up onto the wall, and you'll read it out as you do it, but no further explanations, no clarifications. It should be clear, it should be fast, it should be flowy. And then of course we'll be using our silent sticky voting method, but obviously day 2 style because the decider will be making the final decision. And there you go, that is your user story, and that should give you a good idea to move on to the final exercise. Lastly, it's storyboard time. So you'll work together as a team and you will be able to speak. No more silence, no more dot stickers, I promise. So you draw 8 cells up on the whiteboard and you'll be placing the chosen 6-step user story in each of the cells. And you can also reuse previous concepts, previous ideas, and stick them in the boards as well. Please do not add anything new. This is not the time for new ideas, just work with what you've got. And then you can actually start drawing inside the cells. So after you are done drawing, get one person to basically read out the storyboard and make sure that there is no confusion, there is no open-ended questions, and make sure that there's nothing missing so that it is ready for prototype day. That's the end of day 2 and you're ready for day 3. So how was it? Are you feeling a little bit more prepared? If there was anything that you want us to go over again, or if you wanted us to do a video on, please let us know in the comment section below. But if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. We love some positive feedback as well. And we'll be posting every single week, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And thank you so much for watching again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!